Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find first matched value, second matched value, or the nth matched value. Right? Here is my data set. Here I have some dummy vehicle numbers, and these are the places the vehicles traveled. Here we have total 8 vehicle numbers, and these are the respective trips of that vehicles. My task is to find the second matched value of this vehicle. In other words, I need to find the second destination place of this vehicle. To get that, I start with the if function. If this vehicle number is existed in this vehicle number range. If so, just then return me the destination range, or else just give me empty string. Close parenthesis, enter. Here we got two values. Those are Faridabad, Rajkot. That means this vehicle has traveled two destination places, that is Faridabad and Rajkot. I need to get the Rajkot. Okay. So in this return range, there are so many unwanted cells are there. First of all, I would like to remove that empty cells. To do so, I'll wrap up this entire if function using filter function. Okay. So before I do that, just I'll copy this entire if function. Copy. You will get to know why I have copied this. Okay. Let's start with filter function. Filter. For the array parameter, we'll pass this if function, comma. For this include parameter, I have pasted this formula which I have copied, that is if function. I'll put not equal to empty string. You may wondering why I am putting this empty string, because I want to remove these empty cells from this range. Okay, so that's why I kept empty string, right? Then comma for the last parameter if empty. So if there are any empty cells are there, just give me nothing. So that's why I put again empty string and close parenthesis, just press enter. So we got 2. So that is Faridabad and Rajkot. Using this formula, we have excluded the unwanted cells from the return range. Okay, all right. Here I need to find the second matched value, that is the Rajkot. Okay, here I'll wrap up entire this function using choose rows function. Right? Okay, let's start with the choose rows function. Choose rows. Okay, right. For this array parameter, just I'll pass this array, comma, I want to get the second value in this array. Okay, so that's why I'll put 2 and close parenthesis, enter. We got the Rajkot, and I'll apply this result to rest, and I got it. Awesome, right? If you want to get the first matched value, you can put 1. Okay, if you want to get the third matched value, just put 3 and press enter and apply for the rest. We can handle these errors using if error function. Let's wrap up entire this function using if error function. If error, then if this function returns error, then give me nothing. Close parenthesis, enter, then apply for the rest. Like the way we can get our targeted matched value. All right, coming to the next task. So here I need to find the last matched value. That means I need to find the nth value. If you observe the trips of the concerned vehicles is a little vary. Okay, this vehicle has performed 2 and this vehicle has performed 4 and some vehicles have performed 5 trips, like that. Actually, I need to find the last destination place. To get the same, I start with the if function. You can observe almost the steps are similar to the previous method, but we can observe some minimal changes, right? Okay, right, let's start with the if function. If this value is existed in this vehicle range, if so, then return the destination range, else give me empty string. Here we got 2. Let's remove the empty cells. To do so, let's write filter function. Before I write filter function, I'll copy this if function, filter, For this array parameter, I use this if function. For the include parameter, I paste this if function and not equal to empty string. For the if empty parameter, I'll pass the empty string and close parentheses now, and empty cells have been excluded. Okay, if I copy the formula and apply for this vehicle, here I got 5 concerned values. Here for this vehicle, I got 2 concerned values. My task is to find the last matched value, right? Okay, to get the same, we have another function, that is count A. Count A function returns selected values count equal to count A. Okay, if I selected these two, it will return 2. If I apply the formula for here, and it will return 5. Now let's write choose rows function. Choose rows function, and at the last we need to give the row number. For the time being, I want to get the second matched value. At the place of these two, I'm going to write count A function. Okay, let me write that in the next line. Okay, right, let's start with the count A function. Before I start with the count A function, let me copy this entire filter function. Till here I'll copy. Okay, let's start with the count A function. Count A, and I'll paste inside of this count A function. As I told you earlier, count function returns the selected values count. Okay, right, let me just press enter. Here I got the last value. I'll apply this function for every vehicle, right, like the way I got last matched value. Awesome, right? If you feel the same, please share this video with others too, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.